Hey guys, so you want to be a doctor, huh? That's awesome! MBBS is a super rewarding career path. It's challenging for sure, but also super fulfilling. In India, an MBBS degree is your ticket to becoming a licensed physician. It's the most popular medical degree out there, and for good reason. You'll learn everything about the human body, from how it works to how to diagnose and treat diseases. Plus, you'll get to make a real difference in people's lives. Sounds pretty epic, right? Let's break down how you can make this dream a reality. Before you jump in, let's make sure you tick all the boxes. First things first, you gotta finish your 10+2 with physics, chemistry, and biology as your main subjects. And listen up, you need at least 50% in your board exams. No shortcuts, guys. Next up, the big leagues, the NEET exam. It's the ultimate test for any aspiring MBBS student in India. Think of it as your gateway to medical school. The competition is fierce, so you gotta bring your A game. Alright, so you've aced your exams. What's next? Time to navigate the admission maze. First, you'll register yourself on the official NEET website and fill out the application form for your desired colleges. Make sure you meet their specific eligibility criteria, guys. Once you've cleared the NEET exam, it's counselling time. Based on your NEET rank, you'll get to choose your preferred college and course. Remember, different colleges have different cut-off ranks, so aim high. India has some killer medical colleges. We're talking AIIMS Delhi, JIPMER, CMC Vellore, and many more. These institutions are known for their world-class faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and incredible research opportunities. Getting into these top colleges requires dedication and hard work. But trust me, it's totally worth it. You'll be learning from the best in the business and kickstarting your medical career on a high note. So there you have it, guys. Your guide to conquering the MBBS journey in India. Remember, consistency is key, and don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams. Now go out there and make it happen.